Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create AI images for free. This is very easy. Just go to your browser and search for Bing AI image, and you have to click on the first website like this. Just make sure it is from www.bing.com and just click there once you sure about that. And then here we have to click on the join and create button. Here go with the first one, sign in with a personal account, and here we need to sign in with our Microsoft account. So just log in your Microsoft account here. Once you sign in, this kind of page will appear, and here you have many photos. So if you want to download them, you can easily do that. And also if you want to search for an image, you can easily give a prompt right here. So suppose I give them a kid playing with a dog inside a horror house. So this is the prompt. I want to generate this kind of images, so I can just easily hit on create, and once I click here, they will start creating my images. So we have to wait for some time here, and there you go, they have successfully created our images. And if you want to preview them, just click on the image and we can easily preview it like this. And if you want to move to another image, we can just easily preview all of our images like this. And if you want to download a particular image, you can easily hit on download and the image will get downloaded. So this is how you can create AI images for free. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.